This is the truck right here. Has a Z71 off-road package on it. It has the rubber mat in the bottom. Does not have a spray in, but it does have the rubber mat that covers the bed. It's going to have the backup camera on there, your tow package, your connector right there, and this is an LT. Does have a black leather interior, the power seat right here. We just got this truck in, so if you guys are coming to see it or what have you, I'll get it back in cleanup and everything else. Just let me know. It's really not that dirty. Just a really nice truck. It's pretty clean. Has the rubber floor mats in it. Okay, that's what the roof looks like. The headliner is clean in it. Non-smoker. Just gonna. These are the miles that's on it right here. This is what it looks like right here on the cluster here. Go to home and see what it has on there. Has the OnStar navigation, it looks like, on here. Guess you'll have to get that going. Pandora is already on here. You're going to have the heated seats, if you can see that. You're going to have that option on here. Got your mirrors right here. Want to go look under the hood. Oh, here's the Goodyears it has on there, the alloys. Here's the engine. It's just a nice truck. All right, thank you so much. Hopefully that answered all your questions. If you have any more questions, just give me a shout. Thank you so much, Dory. You have a blessed day. Hopefully I'll see you shortly.